are going to create an interface for the bank where I created a master class where it contain a instance variable name and the instance variable amount, which contains the amount balance. And I've created the constructor here, and basically I've created one deposit function having return type void, and it will uh, contain a data variable when one deposit function will be called, then amount will be added up with data. And here is the withdraw function. Similarly, just like deposit will it get reduced by data, and here is a transfer money transfer facility functions, and having gives the facility on transfer money from one account to another account. We know that if we give money from one account to another account, then first account will some money will be reduced, and then the recipient account will be money will be added up. And one another function with balance check, where we get the result of our balance, how much amount we have in our bank account. As main class, I've created a array of object here having name ARR. One scanner class I have created. Then here is the boolean to check to iterate the while loop until it get false. Here the basic interface I've created. Here the welcome to State Bank of India online portal. Then basically press 1 to create account, press 2 for deposit money, press 3 for withdraw money, press 4 for transfer money, balance check, similarly log out. Then I created one choice function, choice variable, and then switch case. The switch case is basically switch case is used here for listing of the all the functions at one unit. This should here case one is create account method. I've created here deposit method in case 2, similarly withdraw method in case 3, and transfer method in case 4, and log out in the. We can also here in log out case 6 we can also use here that choice equals to false. Then it will get automatically this loop will terminate. In spite of using system.exit, you can also use say choice equals to false. Choice equals to false, as I have mentioned here. So key is equals to false. Then our loop will be terminated and the loop will go out. And here in the last, I have closed the scanner class. It will basically we close the scanner because it will prevent us from overflowing of data. Sometimes we created big applications, and such type of keeping these things should we keep in mind. Okay, now we are running the program. Welcome to State Bank of India online portal. Yes, first of all we have to create one account to deposit money. So I click this one. I got the account. I put name as Rohan and initial amount let us 5,000. Now I'm creating one more account. Name, initial amount let's us 2,000. Now if I want to deposit money, then I will press 2. Here we can see here if we create one account successfully, then our account number, account ID will be assigned as we create account one after one, then our account number get increased by 1 plus 1. If first account I have created is account ID will be 0, then it account ID will be 1. Simultaneously, if we create a more and more account, our account ID will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Now I will press 2 for depositing money. Now I will deposit money per and I account ID 1. So I press 1 account ID. How much amount? Let's say consider I will deposit 500 rupees in my account, having account ID 1. So if I want to check the how much balance I have in my account, so I can press here just 5. So you can see here that it will ask for the account ID, your ID. So basically our ID will be 1. So it will show our account balance as 2500. As previously I have my initial amount 2000 and it will add up plus 500. Plus 500, it will get 2500 rupees in my account. Now simultaneously we can perform the withdraw money. Now I will give a demo of the transfer money facility here. Now if you press 4, sorry, then it will ask for the ID, which ID I am to transfer money from one account to another account. So it will ask for your ID. If my ID is 0, and the recipient ID, it will ask for your recipient ID. Let's consider your recipient ID is 1. So how much amount do you want to transfer to the recipient ID? Now, if I will transfer 500 rupees, then transfer complete successfully. Yeah, if the 200 rupees will be transferred from account ID 0 to a recipient ID 1. Now, if you check the balance of your ID and recipient ID, your balance will be reduced by 200, and recipient ID's balance will be increased by 200. Now we'll check the balance of your ID. Let's consider your ID 0. For balance checking, we will press 5. Now checking for balance. Okay, your ID basically asks for your ID. Now your ID is 0. So here your balance is 4,800. Here, and now I'm checking for recipient ID's balance. I'm checking for balance for recipient ID. So I press 5. Then account ID is 1. Then it will ask for here the account balance is 200. As previously I have 2000, then I will deposit 500 rupees, then I have transferred 200 rupees from account 0 to account 1. Okay, here is the whole program for our bank interface. Now I'm logging out. For logging out, you can press here for G6. Here whole function runs as a logging out. So thanks for watching my video. Bye.